Hello children, how are you? Today I am going to teach you a new topic of subtraction of two-digit number. You can see on the board subtractions of two-digit numbers. Till then you have learned how to subtract one-digit number, but today I will tell you how you are going to subtract two-digit number. Last time I have taught you how to do the addition of two-digit number, and this time I am going to teach you how to do the subtraction of two-digit numbers. I have, see on the board only I have written two numbers over here, two digit 54, 54 two-digit number, 32 two-digit number. I have taught you that. Now I am going to explain you how you are going to subtract these two numbers. Same way as on the addition time also I have told you that left hand side we are going to take for the addition. Same way left hand side we are going to take for the subtraction also. So left hand side I will take it for subtraction, but in this what happened कि we will not going to take the lowest number. हम नीचे का नंबर नहीं लेंगे, हम सिर्फ ऊपर का नंबर लेंगे. I'm going to take this up number only, not the down one. Okay. 4. I'm going to make a line for the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. अब the number which is down, जो नंबर नीचे है वो आपको बताएगा कि आपको इन 4 लाइन्स में से कितनी लाइन्स को कट करना है. Subtraction, we are doing subtraction means cutting something, decreasing something. Okay, so that's why इसमें ये आपको नीचे का नंबर आपको ये दिखाएगा कि which number you will going to subtract, how many lines you are going to cut. So 2 is there, going to cut 1 and 2. अब कितनी lines बची? 2. So put 2 over here. Same way 5 and 3, right? Up I'm going to make a line for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from this 5 line I am going to cut 3 because 3 number is here downside. 1, 2, 3. How much is left? 1 and 2. 2. The answer is 22. Same way I am giving you one more example of it. 9, 7, 2 and 5. That means 97 will going to be subtracted from 25. What the answer going to get? So 7, make 7 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From this 7 line, you will going to cut 5 lines because 5 is over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lines are left? When you count it, you find that 2 lines are left. So you put 2 over here. Then 9 and 2. You have to subtract 9 by 2. Same way, you can draw a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And from this, you can cut 2 lines because the down number is 2. 1, 2. How much is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is left. So now answer is 72. Same way I would like to give you one more example by using zeros. Suppose the answer is, the question is 4, 5, 1, 0. That means 45 minus 10. Now same thing you are going to do over here also. 5 lines we are going to make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this 5 line you are going to cut 0, but 0 is no value. You are not going to cut anything because 0 की कोई value नहीं होती. You are going to put this 5 over here downside and 4 minus 1 make 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this 4 you are going to cut 1. Okay. So when you cut 1 you are left with 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. You put 3 over here and score 35. The answer is 35. Same way one more example I can give you. 2, 0, 0, means 20 minus 0. 0 has no value, you just put 0 over here. And 2, 0. When 0 has no value, you put 2 over here. Because when you make 2 lines, 0 को तो कोई value नहीं होती, ये 2 उठा के यहीं पे आ जाएगा. It's called 20. So this way, you will going to do the 2-digit additions. But one more thing is that 2-digit addition you can also do with the help of your fingers. As I've told you in the addition time, 2-digit subtraction, sorry, not addition, subtraction. 2-digit subtraction also you can do by using your finger, as I've told you in the addition time. So how are you going to do? I'm going to show you. I have two numbers over here. I'm taking two numbers over here. 5, 4, 3, 1. 2-digit addition I am doing. So that means I'm going to take 2-digit numbers 54, 31. How are you going to subtract? By using your fingers, right? Same way from your left side you are going to start, right? This is the left side. You're not going to make a line for it. You're going to use your finger for this. 4 is there. You're going to take out your 4 finger like this. ठीक है? इसमें क्या करना है, आपको फिंगर्स पूरी निकालनी है. इसमें क्या था कि आपको नीचे के नंबर्स के हिसाब से छोटे नंबर के साथ फिंगर निकालनी थी. यहाँ आपको जो नंबर है उसके हिसाब से ऊपर के नंबर के हिसाब से फिंगर निकालनी है. विल टेक आउट 4 फिंगर्स ओवर है. नीचे 1 लिखा है. कितने फिंगर्स नीचे होगी? 1. कितने फिंगर्स बची? 1, 2, 3. Put 3 over here. ठीक है? Same way 5 and 3. Take out 5 fingers over here like this. इस 5 में से अब कितने फिंगर्स को हटाना है? नीचे 3 लिखा है. 1, 2, 3. How much you are left with? 2. It is 23 is the answer. Same way again I can give you like 72, 51. Alright? 72 and 51. I hope you can see it. In this, what you're going to do, you will take out 2. 2 fingers, you're going to take it out. 2 fingers, I'm taking it out. And from 2, I'm going to cut 1. What's I left with? 1. 7 is here, 5. Take out 7 fingers. You're going to take out 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 more. 7. इसमें से how much which number is the down side? 5. कितना कट होगा? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कितना बचा? 2. Put 2 over here and the answer is 21. यही आंसर आपका नंबर लाइन बना के भी आएगा. नंबर लाइन बना के मैं दिखा देती हूँ. सेम आंसर you will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 you have made, and from this 4 you are going to cut 1 because 1 is over here. How much is left? 1, 2 and 3. Same way 5, 3, 5 lines. If I put 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines I have put. ठीक है? और इसमें से हम कितना हटा देंगे? 3. I will go and take out 3 from it. 1, 2, 3. How much I left? 2. The answer is 20. Same here. I can make 2 lines. 1, 2, and I will cut 1 from it. How much is left? 1. 7 minus 5. I will make 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will cut 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much I left? The answer is 21. This is all the way by which you can do 2-digit subtraction. ठीक है? Either by using your fingers or either you can use by number lines. I hope you all have understood. Try to do the sums in the book which I have given you in the homework. Alright? And do the PDF which is uploaded in the eCare app. Till then, take care, have a nice time, but do the work also, studies also. Take care, bye bye.